Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use CSS Grid in Wix Studio. CSS Grid is a powerful layout system that lets you create complex, responsive designs with rows and columns. Wix Studio gives you full control over grid layouts, making it easy to build professional, well-structured websites. Let's dive right in. First, sign into your Wix Studio account and open the site you want to work on. Once the editor loads, navigate to the page where you want to add a grid layout. Click on the Add Elements button on the left side of the screen. In the search bar, type Grid. You'll see several grid options appear. Wix Studio offers pre-designed grid layouts that you can use as a starting point. Choose the one that best fits your design needs, or you can start with a blank grid for full control. Click on your chosen grid and drag it onto your page. Once the grid is placed, you'll notice it has rows and columns by default. Click on the grid to select it, then look for the Grid Settings panel. Here, you can adjust the number of columns and rows. For example, you might want a 3-column layout for a gallery or a 2-column layout for a feature section. You can also control the gap between columns and rows. This is called gutter spacing. Adjust it to create breathing room between your content. To add content inside the grid, simply drag any element, like images, text, or buttons, directly into the grid cells. Each cell acts as a container, so your content will stay organized and aligned. Wix Studio also allows you to make your grid responsive. Switch to tablet and mobile views using the device icons at the top. You can change the number of columns, rearrange content, or hide certain cells on smaller screens. This ensures your grid layout looks perfect on every device. Use the preview mode to test your grid across different screen sizes. Make sure content flows naturally and the layout remains clean and readable. That's how you use CSS Grid in Wix Studio. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.